Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2023 USL case. If Mattel is sending them, it means it's in the distribution center now or shortly. And this one did come from Mattel, so we are going to open it up, check and see what is in the USL case. We've done the international case. A&J Toys sent that over. So I think what's in it won't be a surprise, but you know, you never know. We've found errors before, we have found supers before. It's always fun to do a Hot Wheels unboxing because you just don't know. Let's get this thing opened up. I think the Alfa Romeo is the heavy hitter in this one in terms of new models. Well, let's get right to it. It is dusk, so we gotta go. 2007 Ford Mustang and Falcon livery, that is new to this case. We don't have to do highlights because we already did the US case, or the international case. Papa Wheelie and the Volvo P1800 Gasser. Both of these are new, top and bottom, to this case. Automobile Pininfarina Battista, that was in the K case, wasn't it? 2010 Camaro SS and the Roland Solo. All right, some big debuts here. 94 Toyota Supra, that came out in the L... No, or did that come out in the K case? No, it came out in the L case. See, I get it all mixed up because I've done an M case unboxing, a K case, and an L case. Both new to this case. The Toyota Supra and the Volkswagen ID Buzz, both will be very popular, but that one will be incredibly popular. And then the Corvette C7 Z06. There's that awesome recolor of the 911 Carrera RS 2.7. There's the Batmobile, and there's the Mad Fast. Here is a very crunched Dodge Viper. I don't know if it's ever seen better days because this is a new case, but boy, yikes, that one sure got it. Dodge Viper RT10. Put it off to the side. It's not going to stack very well. Recolor of the Stingray convertible is beautiful. And there's a Corvette C7 Z06. Yeah, now there's a heavy hitter right there. You got the recolor of the Honda Civic Custom, one of the best models of the year. The Koenigsegg Gemera, nice recolor in yellow. And there is, I think it's going to come down the Mercedes-Benz and this one, the Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0. Just like it looks premium. Just amazing with those new wheels. Just a fabulous new model. All right, let's keep going. Brick and Motor, El Segundo Coupe in black and gray or gold, which looks awesome, and the Surf Turf. We're getting multiples of the Supra, which is nice. You want to see multiples of these popular new models. Mock It Go and the Trouble Decker. I've talked about this. It seemed like sometimes we'd only get one of the new models, and so only one lucky person gets what came in that case. Mod Speeder, excuse me, 1970 Pontiac Firebird and the Dodge D100. It is very dry out, which means it's very hard to do an unboxing sometimes or do a video outside because your throat dries up real quick. Batmobile, Nissan Leaf Nismo RCO2, and there's the Chevy Silverado. Just a stunner, just a beautiful, beautiful version. And there have been some ugly versions of that casting. Chrysler Pacifica, Rescue Duty, and the 55 Bel Air Gasser. Chevy Bel Air Gasser. And then, what is that? Quick Bite, Mock It Go, and the Bricking Speed. All right. That's one part of the L case. Here's the other part of the L case. Let's get this pulled. All right. Recolor of the BMW. We have seen that. Eric Stein Rod. I think that's new to this case. And there is the 1956 Corvette, a.k.a. the Barbie Corvette. Movie's about ready to come out. Oppenheimer or Barbie? What you gonna watch first? This thing got it a little bit, but that's okay. Chevy Bel Air Gasser again. There's the Lotus Emira, and look at that, the Land Cruiser 80. Just beautiful in that deco. Great, great casting. Hope to see that go premium one of these days. Aston Martin Vantage GTE, limited grip, and the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 in orange. This case really took a hit, but I don't mind. Send me these because we open some of them, we donate the rest. Dune Crusher, Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400, Volkswagen ID Buzz. And you might say, oh, we'll send them Chris cards to the hospital. We will when we can, and we almost do, but these also tend to, when you give them to a kid, they're going to open it up, right? So as long as it's packaged, the card can be a little beat up, so always donate. They don't want to take them loose. They can't be open toys, but DMC DeLorean, Automobile Pininfarina Battista, and the Power Panel. Nice big casting. looks great. Jackhammer also does, and El Segundo Coupe also does. There's that Jackhammer again. There's the Mazda 787B recolor, and there's the Roland Solo. Still debating if I'm going to collect that basic version or if I'm just going to stick to the premiums. Two beautiful new convertibles, BMW recolor and the Corvette Stingray convertible, and the Chevy Silverado. That's a nice looking trio right there. Classic. Classic, classic, classic. Batmobile in white, Dodge Viper in purple, Mazda 787B in red. There's your second Alfa Romeo, and there's your Mercury Comic Cyclone. If it had real riders, it'd be the Super, but that's the one you want to look for in the L case. There is the Dodge D100, and there's the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 once again. Just so pretty. So pretty. There's the Shelby that was the Super in the last case. There's the Mod Speeder, and there's the Track Manga. And to finish off, limited grip, that Trouble Decker, and the Coupe Clip in its next iteration. So El Segundo Coupe will probably show up with some red wheels and that blue and white deco as well. That's the L case. That's the US L case. Happy to see Supras 2, Alfa Romeo 2. Those are going to be the most sought after castings. Silverado, I think we had 2 of those as well. That will always be popular. Also as the Gasser. Those are big loaded cases, right? Big hitter cases. That is the L case. Thank you, Mattel, for sending it. Thanks everybody for watching. I wanted to do this out on the road, out in the middle of nowhere, but I'll save some unboxings when it cools off a little bit, or else I'd be covered in sweat and bugs and too much sunshine. So dusk on the patio is how it is for now. Thanks, everybody. Bye.